Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new auto staking protocol that is really different than all the other protocols out there right now. Why? Because it has an anti-dumping mechanism. So stick till the very end of the video and I will explain it to you. So it is called LockPay, yeah? And every day you get 2.35% of interest, fixed interest, yeah? And this means you double your investment every 30 days. Yeah, it is pretty new. I guess it's about 10 days old right now, and you can have a look at the chart. It's going up like crazy, as you can see here. I will show you. Wait a second. It's going up like crazy. Look at this. Going up, 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 up. Just going up actually. Yeah. And it's very, very new, yeah? You see here the price going up like crazy. And yeah, the difference, and also what's also interesting, you know the CEO of the company, because many of those projects, you know, the people hide and you have no idea who it is, who is working on this project, but here you know the CEO. I will show you the CEO later. So you have a fixed annual percentage of 480,810.4%. It's crazy, yeah? So if the price stays the same, you know, your initial investment, if you start with $100, after the first month you have 200, 400, 800, and so on. So you could end up in 1 year with $409,600, crazy, yeah? That's a lot of money. And actually you don't have to do anything, just hold it, yeah? You can buy it. You can just you click here and you can buy it on the Pancake Swap. You can buy it, for example, with BNB or BUSD. And all you do is you switch your, for example, BNB for the LockPay token, and you have them in your wallet, for example, MetaMask. And the auto compounding works so that every 30 minutes you get your interest rate paid directly into your wallet and you have to do nothing, zero, okay? You just buy it one time, hold it, and that's it. So how does this anti-damping mechanism work? You know, those protocols usually, and they have a not so big market cap and there's a huge wallet selling, then the price dumps, yeah? And what is different at this protocol here? The difference is that they have a strict cash out limit, yeah, of up to 5% per day, and they can change it. It's 1 to 5% per day, yeah. So whatever you have, you can just take out 1%, okay? So if you have, for example, 100K there, all you can take out, if the percentage is 1%, you can take out 1K, so the price won't dump. So as you can see here, it's 1 to 5%. And yeah, you simply buy it and you get it. The interest paid in your wallet. So if you buy it, you have a 14% slippage on PancakeSwap. If you sell it, 70% slippage. Okay, here you have the protocol compared to Titano and Libero, for example. And what's very cool is that you have this anti-crash mechanism, so to say. Yeah? And here is the CEO, so you can even Google this name. It's a person, a real person, and you can find this person on the internet also, so nobody's hiding. This is the person, this is the CEO. So let me show you the app. If you click here, open app, that's what it looks like. So you can see the price right now is this, the market cap about 68,785,000. And if you go to account, you see here, right now I have $962.56. Let me show you, let me zoom out, otherwise you can see it. You see daily, my daily reward is right now $22 and 5-day reward $113. So every day I make about $22.60 by doing nothing, yeah? So that's like a nice little meal or whatever, yeah, that you get for free. And if you go to the calculator, yeah, let me show you. That's how it looks like, that you can see it, but I have to zoom out, that I don't hide it with the video here. So let's say the maximum amount I have right now is like 88,630 LockPay. And if I do nothing, yeah, and the price stays the same, in 1 year, you can see here, 365 days, in 1 year, I will have $4,629,039. That's crazy, just by doing nothing. You buy it and you hold it. Of course, I mean, the price has to stay somehow the same, but even if it goes down or so, I mean, that's crazy. You know, after 1 year, you can switch it here. For example, you can go to, I don't know, 299 days, I will still have $999,293 just by doing nothing, okay? So actually you just buy it, hold it, and you earn. So as always, you know, that's no financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest your money. And yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, write them in the comments, and see you.